Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here. Today I'm going to show you how to edit a YouTube short thumbnail. So this is to customize or change your YouTube Shorts thumbnail, set a custom thumbnail for a YouTube short. You have to do this in the YouTube mobile app, not in the YouTube Studio app and not on desktop in YouTube Studio. So open up your YouTube mobile app, and when you do, you'll be brought to a home page or a home screen. From here, you need to click on the U button. So this is usually in the bottom right corner. It brings up to a U, and you used to have the ability to view your videos down here at the bottom. Unfortunately, they've removed that. So from here, where you need to go is up at the top. You can hit View Channel, and this will open up your YouTube channel. You can see all of your different stuff. You have your home, videos, shorts, all of that. Click on the Shorts tab. And so now it'll change where you will view a list of all your shorts. You can see your drafts, you can see shorts that you've posted, and then shorts that you have scheduled. So you see here I have one that is scheduled. I want to change the thumbnail, and I want to set a custom thumbnail for this YouTube short in my YouTube mobile app. So I'm going to hit these three dots in the upper corner. Click on that, and then some stuff's going to pop up. Hit Edit. When this opens, you will see here that in the top left corner, I have a pencil icon on that YouTube preview thumbnail image. Click on that or touch that, and then the frames open up. So now you can choose a custom frame to set that thumbnail. Now what I recommend is that in your YouTube short or in your short, you add a frame that is either 0.05, so 0.05 of a second, whether it's a screen, a title card, a screenshot, something like that. You can even do 0.1 second, so 0.1 seconds. And that's what I have here. Then you just hit this check mark, and it automatically sets that as your image. You can put that in the beginning of your video or at the end of the video, and then that will automatically be available for you to choose as your custom thumbnail. So once you do that, you hit the Save button, and then you have your custom thumbnail set for a YouTube short. So that is it. That is how to change the YouTube short thumbnail or use a custom thumbnail on your YouTube short in the YouTube mobile app. Till next time.